Introduce features you looking for and fast overview on SIMPSON Cleaning ALH3425 Aluminum Gas Pressure Washer powered by Honda GX200. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. The SIMPSON Aluminum Series Pressure Washer 3600 PSI at 2.5 grams PM is great for construction, equipment upkeep, and facility and fleet maintenance cleaning. With a powerful Honda GX200 engine, reliable 3A triplex pump, and ultra-lightweight aircraft-grade aluminum frame, this pressure washer is the optimum blend of maneuverability and performance. The ALH3425 also comes with a 35 hose, ergonomic spray gun, and 5 quick connect nozzles. Designed to meet the rigorous demands of the cleaning professional, the SIMPSON Aluminum Series frame is crafted of 100% aircraft-grade aluminum, making it lighter in weight than most steel frame pressure washer designs. Perfect for contractors who specialize in deck cleaning, wood restoration, paint preparation, graffiti removal, and all other professional cleaning services. The SIMPSON Aluminum Series designed for optimum performance in the harshest environments. 3-year limited Honda commercial engine, 5-year limited pump, 10-year limited frame and 90-day accessory. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.